Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. Today I decided to do some more nail art. If you like nail art or anything nail art related, please consider subscribing. Also, click on your notifications bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So today I decided to do this pretty much pink hollow floral mani, and it's abstract, and I love abstract designs. I love it when it's not symmetrical all the time. So I decided to do this particular mani. So let's get started. Well, I hope you enjoyed this mani. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I love the way it turned out and the way it looks. I love this color and shade of pink. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with your polished friends. I'll see you in the next video, and remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.